Gonna do away with that Fender. Just got my new Fender eliminator thing in it. So looks fairly simple. Gives you a little bracket. Put the stock blinkers back on. Doesn't that look so much better? Yeah. Much better. Just cut that whale tail looking fender down too. Cut them right off. Looks way better. Plus I got a new fender, so if it didn't look good, I put the new fender on. But I like it. Had a quick thunderstorm last night. Wind picked up, knocked a big ass tree down across the road. Of course our power was out for like 6 hours. All better now. Still some mangled wires, but my internet's still working. Thank God. That's all I got up here. This little bag's kind of nice, but it's very little. Good thing I'm only picking up some cold cuts today. Hang on there, Charlie. So I ordered me up some new knobbies, D606s. Yeah, boy. They're supposed to be the best. We'll see. I like my Kendas. They work pretty good on the Honda, so let's see how these are. I could definitely see how people love the Supermoto Ds. They're so light and nimble and wheelie. This thing is a wheelie machine. So I had someone comment I gotta run this DRZ400 against a CRF250 Honda. Except this thing's gonna blow that away. I guess I'll have to hit Matt up for a ride on that one. Psych! I'm doing it the proper way today. Much more comfortable on my hands since I lowered these handles down. Meals on wheels! I'm with my baby. My bike is my baby. Does that count? I hate parking way in. Someone comes whipping in, mashes into the bike.
Welcome. If you are a Scan It customer, please scan the barcode on your Scan It or Scan It mobile device. 69. Place your item on the belt. Remove all items from the...
I don't play no games, sir.
I gotta say, sir, that is sick.
Thanks.
Makes no a new meaning for Knight Rider.
Yeah, right?
It was a car, but I think the early prototypes was right.
Oh, Knight Rider, yeah.
They got a lot of those tapes on YouTube. My buddy Keith got me.
I actually have a YouTube channel too.
Oh, do you?
I don't have my motorcycle ones, they're just my Jeep ones.
Cool.
Knight Rider, he says. No wheelies on the way home, boys. Might lose my groceries. Uh-oh. Well, that sucks. That was quick. Well, might be worth the save, huh?
Don't worry about it. You're still in good shape.
If I can get it over there.
All you gotta do is just tap it in. Just tap it in. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
I don't think anybody ran over my... Did they? Woo! No road rash. Look at that. Alright, what am I going to do with these? I guess they're going to have to stay there, but like that. Slow down, Cheesy. This bag doesn't expand, so that sucks. These can't be that freaking floppy. If I lose it twice, it wasn't meant to be, right? I think he's thinking the same fucking thing I'm thinking. Alright guys, the fuck am I gonna do with this damn thing? It's gonna have to go this way. I think that'll hold. Whose stupid idea was it to go grocery shopping with the motorcycle? Wraps that my wife like are on the bottom. Might have a little gravel in them. As I said earlier, no wheelies, that's for sure. Don't make me lose my wraps. Nah. Could have made it, but I would have lost my wraps. Then I'd become unwrapped. Oh man, Ice Cream Man is turning. No. Bye bye, Ice Cream Man. I think I didn't pull out. Who likes to pull out? You don't have to pull out if you wrap it. I'm so funny. Well, guess I need a bigger bag. Oh my God. There's no way we're doing 40. Oh, I guess we are. And my blinker's still on. Dumbass. Should I do it? Hang on to your wraps, boys! Ooh, that was close. I made it.